This thing is just absolutely spectacular. I don't know that I've seen a nicer 67 GTO. 400 engine, power steering, power brakes, 4-speed manual transmission. This is just one gorgeous, gorgeous car. Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a gorgeous 1967 Pontiac GTO. Now, this two-door hardtop GTO is finished in burgundy with a black vinyl top. This car has been frame off, body off, restored, and it was basically a concourse restoration, in my opinion. And when you see the pictures of the car, you look at the videos of the video of the car, and you see the undercarriage photos of the car, I'm sure you will say the same thing to yourself. This thing is just absolutely spectacular. I don't know that I've seen a nicer 67 GTO. 400 engine, power steering, power brakes, 4-speed manual transmission. This is just one gorgeous, gorgeous car. The paint, the body, the interior, the undercarriage, the inside of the trunk, just the door gaps, the panel fitment, just everything about this car is just beautiful. Check out the trunk. And I looked up under there, underneath the car, and inside the trunk here, appears to have all the original quarter panels on it. Pontiac floor mats, matching spare rim and tire. The jack is in there. Man, the paint is just spectacular. Padded dash. Her shifter. New carpet, seat covers, package tray, sail panel, headliner. Visors are in great shape. Door panels. Wooden steering wheel. All the glass is just beautiful. All the stainless trim's beautiful. The mirrors, the antenna. Got a hood tack. PMD hubcaps. Coca Redline tires. Painted to match steel wheels. Just one gorgeous ride. Blower motor, defrost, left turn, right headlight indicator, cigarette lighter, I'm telling you, you want the best one, here it is. You'll have people at car shows going crazy over this one.
Everything works in the car. I think the clock isn't working, but everything else is working. Just a beautifully restored 67 GTO. We'll get it out in the light. I'll take you for a spin, then we'll take it out in the sunlight to show you, because it's even prettier outside. The heater works. The hood tack works. What a splendid car. Holy cow. It's just so nice to buy them when they're this clean, this nice. Look at the speedometer works perfect. Just an absolute wonderful car. The AM radio was working. I had that thing on just when I'd done my inspection on this car, and now it's not turning on, so. Most people anymore, it seems like they put a Bluetooth speaker in their car and they connect it to their phone and listen to whatever they want anyway, so. E-brake works, e-brake light works. Check out the panel fitment on this car. The doors, the fenders, the quarter panels, it all fits right? Because it has all the original quarter panels on it. Vinyl top, perfect. Got the original GM ignition lock system tag on it. And I think we're about out of gas. The gas gauge must work pretty well, folks. That's the extent of the performance I'm gonna get out of this car for right now. But hey, it works, it's accurate. Hopefully I got enough to get back to town. I knew it was low when we left, but Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. What a beautiful 67 GTO. They don't come any sharper, any cleaner, any nicer, folks. Give us a call again, 563-452-2450, 67 GTO. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.